My wife used to be into cycling when she was younger, and she was very surprised when she heard that I'd never actually cycled before. So she was always kind of telling me, you should get onto a bike, you should get onto a bike. So yeah, at the ripe old age of 28, I finally did, and I've never looked back. Learning to ride as an adult was it was an unusual experience. You know, when you're trying to do something which is a childlike activity, when you're an adult, you can sometimes feel a little bit self-conscious to start with, but I actually embraced it. You know, it's kind of a pure sense of play that you can have as an adult. So once I kind of got into it, I was obsessed. Cycling has given me a sense of community. Being able to ride every Saturday morning with brothers from our local mosque is something I look forward to at the end of every week. It's something which clears my mind. It's something which helps me stay healthy. It's something which gives in so many different ways. I chose cycling as something which I thought I could do for the rest of my life. It's something which, they talk a lot about how cycling is low impact, and I have a lot of friends at work and they are expert and enthusiastic cyclists regardless of their age. And I know how I am. I probably wouldn't be running 10k when I'm in my 50s, but I feel really confident that cycling is something I can do into my 50s or beyond. Since I started cycling, I have cycled every winter. Every Saturday or Sunday I'll go out for a ride, the rain or the snow, I have cycled in the Brompton in the snow before as well, which was an interesting experience. But yeah, for me, I'm really grateful actually in the UK that we have seasons. It makes things interesting. It means that you get to discover the same place in a different season, which can be quite beautiful. Every season has its charm for cycling as well. In the summer you can speed around and feel the warmth of the sun on your back. There's this lovely word called apricity, which is about the feeling of warmth that you can get even in a cold weather. And that's something you get in autumn and spring when you're cycling. And then the winter, it feels like a challenge, and you can feel the changing landscape around you having a different character. And that's something which, again, can rub off on you. I enjoy cycling in all seasons. It's something which I think is special about how we cycle in the UK.